A tornado warning has been issued by the National Weather Service. Monitor weather conditions, local media, and take life-saving precautions.
Got some bad weather coming, you guys.
A year ago, when we first opened Thunder Canyon Campground, we never realized that we would be like ship captains, you know, whose primary purpose is to ensure the safety of the souls on board. But we were shocked to learn that campgrounds have no legal responsibility to provide shelter in emergency situations. Natural disasters are considered your personal responsibility. That was not acceptable for us.
Hey guys.
We had paramedics, local sheriff, local police, emergency management visit the campground because we wanted them to know where everything was in the event of an emergency.
So these guys are going to train us how to save the old fart members we have.
You mean how to save yourself? Who are you calling our old fart?
Not you, man.
We even had local paramedics train and certify us on first aid. Now, I'm not saying that y'all should be putting your lives in our hands, but at least we have some training under our belts. And we had it upside down.
Oh, the nose. You see the nose? Yeah.
Yeah, but I thought that that fit the chin.
No. Oh.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah, you gotta get the green light.
Not
Not the yellow.
Yep. Then I kill him.
Yeah, you can't kill him.
With the yellow.
You can't kill him.
Sorry, man.
Yeah. No, and then you gotta do it to the tune of the Bee Gees.
The tune of the Bee Gees?
Yeah, Staying Alive. Staying alive, staying alive. Staying alive. Yeah, what do you do in that part of the song? Do you keep going?
Comes. Finish the truck.
The hell would we finish the truck? It's hard to see just how much these trees are swaying.
Yeah, look at that one.
They're really swaying.
Here it comes.
You can't see anything.
Nope, it's gonna get dark.
This could be so bomb-proof. He's such a good boy. He's such a good boy. He's just happy to be with us.
Spent, what, three years down there, huh, buddy?
Yeah, he's just happy to be with us.
No, I opened the door and he tried to jump in before save.
Baby, I'm sorry, but I had the camera ready when you said that. Now I know what you guys are thinking. What are you guys doing outside? Get inside a sturdy building. But it's not that easy. You see, we're on Sand Mountain, like a solid rock. Basements are hard, like literally.
The closest shelter to Thunder Canyon is about 3.1 miles away. It's the Eider Library. Now, this is not a FEMA approved building, but it is a safe building that has, helped the people of Eider for many, many years. The closest FEMA-approved shelter for tornadoes is in the town next door named Henniger. That is an approved building, and they can probably get 1,000 people in there. The Eider Library is fairly small. It might hold 100 or 200 people, but we've actually bugged out to Eider Library twice, and both times it was pretty full. If we ever had Thunder Canyon full, there's no way that we could fit inside of the Eider Library in the basement. It just wouldn't happen. So we need to figure something out here at Thunder Canyon so that we can protect the souls on board. And we're working on that. We just don't got the money yet. Certainly don't have enough money to build a tornado shelter.
The American Red Cross has a lot of really good information. We actually link in our description to their checklist on tornado safety. But here's the deal, when you're in an RV, it's pretty much like being outside. You can't go in a basement, and RVs are certainly not sturdy. So you have to be really, really careful when you're RVing and there's a tornado threat. But you know what's more surprising? These tornadoes, they get all the attention, but what's really crippling is the water and the wind damage. And we sustained a lot.
Just more up here. Look at the site. See the waterfall right there?
Oh wow.
You getting that?
Yeah. Hold this camera and make it better.
Look at that.
Whoa, look at that.
Right across here, this needs to be built up a little bit more.
Look at this. The washout.
Yeah, right here. Look at this. See how it's taking out the street again?
Yep. Wow. Can you stop real quick for a second?
Go ahead. Ready? Yeah. And
That's a big problem right there.
big problem. Yep. That's what the culvert is right there. It's just not enough to relieve that pressure. So we need another culvert there.
So how many culverts do you think total?
I think we should order a few. We know where to get them though.
And the same size or bigger?
And we'll throw on the new attachment to the Kubota.
Okay.
And we'll just pull up and start digging it that way. That way it won't make much of a mess as us digging a big hole to put it in. Just take the bucket and clear out an 8-inch path.
Okay.
Wow. It looks like they went to there. They didn't take anything in the rig. She's just got everybody loves her. She's a good person. She's neutral. Look at that.
Wow. It looks like all the rivers are...
It all bumps out down here. Look at what it did out there.
You know, unfortunately, this is not the first time we've had tornado problems in our RVing journey. In fact, back a few years ago, we had a crazy, crazy scare. So in the next video, we're going to tell you what happened and tell you what we learned the hard way. So the times were like so close that it was like rain starting in 32 minutes and we would arrive in 30 minutes. So it was just close enough that we're like, we can beat the storm.
Yeah, and we're going back and forth on the walkie-talkies. You think we can make it? You think we can make it?
30 seconds or a minute before.
And granted, we're parked on the side of the road now. She's seeing things I can't see.
It flies off, okay? It's like...
Our awning cover completely ripped off, babe.